Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Monday, November 24th, and I have the beautiful Luna Moth kit. This is the Insectarium Luna Moth kit. Luna moths can reach 7 inches in diameter. Having no mouths, they live for just 1 week, their sole purpose being to reproduce. This kit features fabrics from Insectarium and Watermark by Tamara Kate for Wyndham Fabrics. The finished measurements are 40 inches by 55 inches. The kit includes the complete pattern by Tamara Kate, including foundation, paper piecing templates, and over 6.5 yards of fabric. And the fabrics are beautiful, and it's been so fun to make. I made this one myself, and it was long-armed in our long-arm room by Linda. So these are awesome. I loved doing it. It is paper piece, so just be aware of that. If that's not your favorite technique, you're going to be doing a lot of it with this quilt. Next up, we have Tim Holtz palette. We're wrapping up a year's worth of color with Tim Holtz Eclectic Elements palette. Oh, this one's my favorite. I'm getting yardage as soon as the video's over. For the final month, we have all the colors at once, multi. We have new prints and favorite prints in a rainbow of colors by Free Spirit. Shipments to subscribers will go out this week, and we'll have fat quarter bundles available soon. Place a pre-order now and we'll ship them out as soon as possible. And then we have one more set over here. Look at all those beautiful flowers on fabric. And then this one, I imagine if we open it, we're going to see all the other colors on the flip side. Yes. Gorgeous. And a nice collage in multicolors. A place for your eye to rest with multicolors. And finally this piece, which is lovely. That's what we have for you today. As a reminder, we will be closing at 3 o'clock on Wednesday, and we will be closed on Thursday. So be sure to get your projects in if you have some time off and you want to maybe get away from some family members and do some projects. Now's the time to get your things. Have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.